Sambalpur, the city with 250 kilometers away from the capital of Odisha. It is iconic in terms of its history and wide culture. The story is about a young boy from the city who covered the distance and made his name. Meet Abhijit Hota, who at present is making the budge with his work at Gujarat. He won the Best Employee of the Month from the Suzuki Motors Private Limited, but life was not a bed of roses for him. Having born in a family where his father is working as an auto rickshaw driver, he didn't have the luxury to waste his young age by wandering around. But just like teens in his age, he was confused. But he wanted to earn quickly for his family, but had no clue of how he is going to achieve it. Then his uncle told him to join ITI.
Since the school time, I love to participate in every programs like dance, drama, debate, sports, athletic, program organizing, each and everything. And because of this bunch of hobby, I was not able to manage the study time with it. So after I passed my HSC with the first class, but according to today's time and competition, that was not enough. So my mom suggested me to do ITI for secure my future, and I do it.
With great determination, soon he made his way in the ITI. His desire of being a good orator was supported by the Tata Stripe classes. He practiced hard in his mock interviews and cracked the job.
And the IT study is totally different than the other general study line because of its programs like IT fair, skill exhibition, skill celebration, and many more. But the main and the life-changing programs comes when I am in my last semester, the YDM classes from Tata Stripe. What a classes! They teach us how we grow, how we talk, how we handle the ethics of workshop challenges and the relationship between our colleagues, and also they prepare us for the interview, and because of that sort today I am here as a Suzuki employee.
अभिजीत को मैं 6 साल से जानता हूँ। मेरा बेटा का दोस्त है वो उसका जो मन में जो बात है उसको रखने को जो कोशिश कर रहा था, उसी से मुझे लग रहा था कि वो लड़का एक ना एक दिन आगे जाएगा, और सच में वो आज आगे जाके दिखा दिया।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है सुनील कुमार महाराणा। मैं एसएमजी में काम कर रहा हूँ एज ए DAT। मैं इंजन असेंबली में काम कर रहा हूँ CH एंड CVSL लाइन। मैं बोलने जा रहा हूँ अभिजीत होता के बारे में, जो पिछले साल अक्टूबर महीने में ज्वाइन किया था हमें। वो हमारा पहला बैच था। बेसिकली जो पहला बैच होता है वो थोड़ा टाइम लगता है सीखने के लिए, बट ये जो क्विक लर्नर का है बहुत जल्दी सीख गया। उसका बिहेवियर भी सही है। देखा जाए तो सुजुकी एक हाई प्रोडक्शन कंपनी है। यहाँ पे साइकिल लाइन बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, और साइकिल लाइन कवर करना इतना आसान बात नहीं है, मगर वो एक बंदा है जो क्विक लर्निंग के हिसाब से बहुत सेशन अपने साइकिल लाइन के हिसाब से कर लेता है।
मनोबल, सहनशीलता, धैर्य आ निष्ठार लगी से आज एत दूर आगे आ भविष्य भी से आगेबा ये आशा रखुचे। आ बापा हिसाब गर्व करुचे।
मुई तार माँ से तार निजर परिश्रम लगी से आज बहुत आगे जाइए, एवं ये टाइम रे से तार बापा के बहुत किसी साहाय्य करुचे, से मुई बहुत खुशी है।
Millions of thanks to all of you, my ITI, OSDA, Tata Stripe. Thanks a lot. Because of you, today I am here.
Well, the sun has just rised. Here, the journey of Abhijit has just started. There are still many miles to go. Thank you.